How to follow Reddit users and chat with them. Want to stay connected with your favorite Redditors? Here is how to follow users and chat with them. Quick and easy. Let's go. First things first, open your browser and go to www.reddit.com and log in if you haven't already. Now, go to the user's profile you want to follow. Tap or click the follow button right next to their username. You will now see their post more often in your feed. How to chat with a Reddit user. On the user's profile, look for the chat button. Tap or click it to start a private conversation. Type your message and hit send. Remember, be respectful. Reddit has rules for private messages too. Bonus tip. If the chat button doesn't appear, it means the user has disabled messages. Totally normal. And that's it. Now you know how to follow Reddit users and start a chat. Whether you are building community or just making friends, Reddit makes it simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.